Fetch AI's massive breakout continues to be on fire, and at the time of this recording, Fetch AI is holding above the 20-day MA here on the 1-hour chart, which is now acting as support for us to continue gearing up. We have also managed to break above a significant key area of resistance above the 1.48, flipping it back into support. And all this is playing out after we saw a very nice bounce to the upside on a key area of support at the 1.162. And in today's video, I will be discussing my breakout target areas and also an Elliot wave structure that is playing out here on the Fetch AI chart. And starting my video here on the daily chart, where you can see that last year in October we managed to get these significant lows before we started an impulsive move to the upside in a move that gave us a high above the 3.479 in a move that I'm terming as an Elliot wave count 1 to the upside. So we can term this as an Elliot wave count 1. And after seeing the formation of that first wave, whatever we expected next was a bit of a corrective structure in the formation of a larger Elliot wave count 2. And once we have a low in place in this Elliot wave count 2, I will be expecting another massive bounce to the upside in an Elliot wave count 3, then expect a wave 4 and a wave 5 to the upper side. And to just show you that the second wave is what is playing out at the moment, I will be using the Fibonacci's, connecting the fibs from the lows that we made last year in October to the high that we made this year, giving me a minimum pullback target area between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.618 for that second wave, which is an area that we managed to fully maximize. And at some point we lost the fib level to 6.18, and that made me to extend my target area to the fib level 0.78, which perfectly lies, so that the target area can now perfectly lie between the 1.855 and the 0.919, which is the area over here. And this is the minimum target area for this second wave, which is an area that we have now almost fully maximized. We have also continued to hold above significant key areas of support, and there are high chances that we could have a low in place for that second wave, and in the next coming days we should start an impulsive move to the upside in the formation of this Elliot wave count 3. And the minimum target areas for the third wave can be given using the trend-based Fibonacci, connecting it from the low of the first wave to the high of that Elliot wave count 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, giving me a minimum target area for the third wave at the fib level 1.618, which perfectly lies above the 6.338 as my next target area. And for us to get a confirmation that whatever is playing out here is the start of that impulsive Elliot wave count 3, we first need to see a 5 wave structure play out here on the chart. So on the smaller time frames, we need to see such a scenario play out for us to get a confirmation that we have started that impulse in that wave 3 and also managed to break above the wave 1 high, which lies above the 3.479. So getting to the lower time frames, which is the 1-hour chart, to try and see whether we are seeing a 5 wave structure to the upside. After getting the significant lows on the 5th of July, here on the 1-hour chart, you can see that we have seen a very nice bounce to the upside, though we don't have a 5 wave structure that is playing out. And at the moment, what I can only track is an Elliot wave count 1. And maybe in the next coming hours, we might see a bit of a pullback in the formation of that Elliot wave count 2. So there are high chances that whatever we have here is an Elliot wave count 1, then we can expect a wave 2, then a wave 3, a wave 4 and a wave 5 in the next coming hours. And to just give you the minimum target areas for the second wave in case of that pullback, then using the fibs, connecting the fibs from the lows that we made on the 5th of July to that high, I can get a target area between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.618, between the 1.308 and the 1.249, which is the area over here. this is the area within which I will be expecting that pullback to get us into. In case we get a pullback into that target area, then I will take that advantage to try and DCA, because I will be expecting another impulsive move in this wave 3, then expect a wave 4 and another impulsive move in that Elliot wave count 5. So that is the price action that I'm expecting here on the Fetch AI chart for the next coming hours. And I hope that video was of much help to you, and I hope to catch you on the next one.